Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a IMO account. So let's get started. So if you want to create an IMO account, what you can do is just first of all open up your Play Store. After opening up your Play Store, now in search bar you have to search for IMO. And after searching for that, now you'll find this application. What you can do is just simply tap on install and then install this application in your device. So after installing your application, now what you can do is just simply open up your IMO application. And after opening up your IMO application, now to create an account, what you can do is just simply tap on agree. After tapping on agree, now you just have to tap on allow and then enter your phone number. So you can just enter your phone number, but before entering your phone number, what you have to do is first select your country. So you can just tap on that country and then select your region or country, and after doing that, what you can do is just simply enter your phone number and then tap on that blue color tick icon which is on the bottom right. After doing that, just tap on OK, and after doing that, now you have to allow this permission and then tap on allow. And after tapping on allow, now you will receive a 4-digit code. You just have to enter that 4-digit code. So IMO will automatically enter that 4-digit code. Now you just have to tap on allow, and after tapping on allow, you have successfully created your IMO account. So that's it guys, this is how to create your IMO account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.